Hello, this is Dr. Satya Prakash Mehra. I am environmental cum development professional working in the field of conservation of natural resources, especially focused on water and biodiversity. Along with that, I am also an academician associated with different colleges and university in the capacity of visiting faculty, guest faculty, or subject expert. Presently, I'm advisor of Rajputana Society of Natural History, an NGO dedicated for the conservation of natural resources, as well as heading as a principal of Agarwal Girls College, Gangapur City, District Savai Madhopur. Academically, I achieved bachelor's, master's degrees in environmental science as my main subject, then pursued PhD on the aspect of conservation. While working in the field, I found that I have to deal with humans. Human being an integral part of ecosystem, I realized the importance of development sector, which encouraged me to develop the strategy to correlate conservation practices with the need of the target group, especially the community, the human community. And I learned about the development sector, the economics, simultaneously the constitutional and legal framework. So I pursued UG law degree as well as master's degree in human rights, specially focused on environmental rights. Now, working in this sector, my first inspiration is definitely my parents, my mother, who encouraged me to work for the rural sector, especially the tribal sector or underdeveloped sector, when she was working in 1970s, 80s and Indo-USSR projects. And simultaneously, I got the energy from my father, who was information scientist in university, followed by my co-worker, my colleague, and my partner, life partner, Dr. Sarita, along with my sister. So I had got a great role of, women in developing my career, my profile, as well as the work. So my partner, Dr. Sarita, and me, along with inspiration of my parents, we started a platform of Rajputana Society of Natural History. Not only the parents, but also the mentors, especially related with the government wing, the forest department, as well as science and technology department, like Girdhari Lal Garg Saab, who presently he is assistant director in AICT, Dr. Satish Kumar Sharma, retired forest officials, O.C. Chandel Saab, Raghuveer Singh Shekhawat Saab, then V.S. Rana Saab, lot many people, A.K. Jha Saab. All these are from the forest department or Department of Science Technology, who encouraged me to work in this direction. Faced a lot of challenges since the field was new in the small city. So that was the key challenge. But steadily I pursued, and through Rajputana Society of Natural History, we developed several socio-ecological models associating the conservation practices with the livelihood of the people, and the Abu model depending on the Green Munia, as well as the Chakramnagar model, revival of ecology, then Chambal model, agroforestry, all such type of models which are site specific but having the global applicability. This was the outcome from all such type of works. And presently, we are having very good team members as well as the mentors, Dr. Swati Samatsar and engineer Milind Pandit Saab with us. Simultaneously, on the academic platform, I am just making the youngsters to get involved in such type of conservation, which is a burning need of the present time. So that's why the formal education I involved with, I opted at least whatever the practicality or the challenges I faced to overcome, to come to certain solutions. I found that let's have the formal education system linked with such type of applicability. Thus, as a freelance environmental scientist in association with Rajputana Society of Natural History and an educationist, I am trying my best to contribute for Mother Nature wherever I can. Thank you very much.